Giờ chắc xin Daniel Lê nói một ít về tiếng Anh để cho các em giới trẻ hiểu được cái tâm của em. Tại vì chị biết là em nói tiếng Anh thì hay hơn tiếng của chị rồi đó.
Tiếng Việt em nói hơi không có rành lắm, mà tiếng Anh thì em nói more comfortable. So we'd like to invite the public to our open house event on March 4th. That's this coming Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And we want to share with you what we have to offer. The Compassionate Service Society, we have many activities and many classes to offer, but the theme of it is to discover you. Why is it important to discover you? Because we all have the capacity to do wonderful things, yet we all have the capacity to do horrible things as well. But where do we lie in that spectrum? Where are we on that spectrum? How do we change the world? How do we impact the world? So this is the chance to discover yourself and discover your own potential and unlock that potential. So you start with physically taking care of yourself, and then also sort of dropping away all the worldly concerns of day-to-day life so that you can see more clearly. And from there, there's a joy and a sense of peace that comes with that. And then when you start to interact with other people, you can spread that peace and joy to others. And so one of the main points of our existence, the Compassionate Service Society, our organization, is to bring peace to the world. And we propose that you bring peace to the world, or one way you can bring peace to the world is to look at yourself and make the change from within and spread that change, spread that joy and that peace that comes through that change to others around you, starting with your family and your friends, those closest to you, and then eventually it spreads. It spreads sort of like a ripple effect, and who knows how you can change the world. No matter how small or how big an act is, there's no way of telling how it will affect change in the world. So we invite you to come to our event, learn more about yourself, learn more about how you can make those changes within yourself and to the world. Thank you.